Hello everybody, today we make rock lamb. First thing I want to start to chop my garlic. Now we got the mint. I want to take some leaves of the mint, I got to chop. And we take the leaves out for the rosemary. And I got thyme. And the only thing I do, I take the leaves out for the thyme. It's so beautiful, it's so good smell. Now I want to chop really thin everything over here. Now we take the garlic and we mix it together with the leaves over here. Now I got the flake hot pepper and we put over here together. I need salt and black pepper. And now this I mix like that, and we put this on the side, like this. We take the rock lamb, and I put it right over here. And we gotta use mustard first. And I put it right over here. And we spread all over like this on the lamb, on the rock lamb. Okay, now we put all the spice like this on the top, like that, and we do like this a little bit, and I got more spice, and we use over here, like that. Because this give a really, really good taste, the rosemary, the thyme, the mint, the garlic, everything. Now, we put this right on this dish. And now I gotta cover it with a plastic wrap and leave it marinate in the refrigerator for a couple hours. Like this, it tastes much better when it stay together a couple hours. Oh, wait a while. I got already. I prepared this morning. And look how beautiful it look already. And we put it right inside these pots over here. And we put a little drop of oil. Okay. And now on the side, I want to put some of the potato. And we start with the salt, black pepper, oil, flake hot pepper. I got a garlic. And I got over here rosemary and thyme. And now we give a nice mix. Okay, now we put the potato right over here next to the lamb. We give a little, and look how beautiful it look already. Now this, you gotta go in the oven for 40-45 minutes. The potato and the lamb, it cook the same time. Yeah, I got the oven already on 400 degrees. Okay, now it's 40 minutes. And let's see my rock lamb. It look beautiful. And let me take out. And I want to leave it rest for 10 minutes. Okay, now what I do, I cover it with aluminum foil. Nice. And I like to put my potato back in the oven. Gets almost cooked to the potato. We give a little shake. Good. At the time of this for 10 minutes, relax over here my lamb, the potato be ready. Okay, now the potato is done. It's already time to take out. Wow. Look how beautiful it look. Okay, now let's take my rock lamb. And I put it right over here. Look how beautiful it look. Nice? And let's see. Ah, look how beautiful. Mwah. Really good. Cook perfetto, perfect. Look how beautiful the potato now. It's so delicious. The lamb, it come out number one. Really, really good. Salute e cincina everybody. Thank you very much.